Today, let's talk about flywheel ring gear. It's one of the important components in engine. Flywheel ring gear, as you can see it on the screen, it is around the flywheel. It is not the same component with flywheel. No, it has a different function from flywheel. Its only function is to start the engine. The bendis gear attached to it and help to rotate the engine, and as soon as the engine starts, it works as ended. That is just the job of flywheel ring gear. Then how do you fix or remove the flywheel ring gear? The flywheel ring gear can get damaged, and when they get damaged, it can be removed and it can be fixed again. You don't need to replace the old flywheel because of your flywheel ring gear is damaged. No, what you have to do is this. If you subject it to heat, your flywheel, lot of heat, about 300 Celsius, then you should be able to remove the flywheel ring gear. Then the same way you fix it too, you heat it, then you allow it to, you fix it. As soon as it's cold, it becomes tight fitted on the around the flywheel. That is how to remove, that is how to fix the flywheel ring gear. And you remember that you should not forget that flywheel ring gear can also get damaged. But what usually damages is if there is a foreign particle that goes into it and it affects the gear, it can get damaged. Or if the bendis of your Kickstarter is bad, the gear of the bendis is bad, then it will also affect the flywheel ring gear. These are the two common things that can cause damage to your flywheel ring gear. And another thing you should not forget is that the flywheel ring gear determines the type of Kickstarter you buy. If you are buying a Kickstarter, you need to check the type of the ring gear on your flywheel. So you use the teeth of your flywheel ring gear to determine the type of kick you buy. So if you buy a Kickstarter and the bendis gear does not match with your flywheel, not tally with your flywheel ring, it will not work. So don't forget to observe that in case anytime you are replacing your Kickstarter, you need to check the flywheel ring gear, the kind of gear it is. It must match with the flywheel ring gear, with the bendis you are buying. Let us assume that it has a straight some and the other one is bevel, then it will not work. So it must match together. It is then you have they must be compatible before the two can work together. It's a vital component with in engine to something that is together with the flywheel. No, it is separatable. You can separate it. You can separate. Though some in some engine, I've not seen it. The one I've seen is that it is tight fitted. I've not seen anywhere that it has been bolted because I don't know how you can bolt it because it's not, I don't think it's even possible. So the one I see is about always tight fitted, though I've removed some because it got damaged and I replace it. It can also be, if you take into machine shop, they can machine it. If you had damage, maybe about 2 or 3 teeth is damaged, then 2 or the 3 or 2 teeth can be machined, can be worked out in a machine shop to fix it. So if you have a damaged flywheel ring gear, don't need to change your flywheel. No, you take it to a machine, they know what to do. They will heat it, it will come out, and they will replace, they will work on it, or they replace it totally, then they fix it on a flywheel again and your engine starts running. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video, Mr. Engine. Thank you.